All right, kiddos, go ahead and get out your book that looks like this on the front cover. Okay, so we are going to read our title first. We know this first word. What is that word? I. The next word we might not know, so we can sound it out. That first sound is the sound w, w. The next sound, we do know that sound. It's eh. And then these two sounds put together just make their sound one time. So we're going to say, oh. Let's get out our sound mountains and sound it out. Ready? W, ill. Again, w, ill. What word is that? Will. Good job. So we've got the word I will, and then our sight word, be. Let's read the title. I will be. All right, flip to the first page. So our first part of our sentence is just like our title. I will be. But then we've got this word right here. And this is a word we have not learned yet. And it's really hard to sound out, so I'm going to tell you. This word is the word very. What word? Very. Good job. And then the last word is the picture clue word. All right, let's try and read this sentence. Fingers on it, eyes on it. First word, I. Next word, will. Next word, be. Next word, very. Last word, happy. Good job. Okay, let's read it together. Fingers on it, eyes on it. Ready, read. I will be very happy. And this is talking about how we're feeling. So this is a feelings book talking about I will be. This picture clue is just an emotion. All right, it's just showing how they look when somebody is happy. Flip that page. Some of these might be kind of tricky, but I think you can figure them out. Let's look at the picture. Look at that picture clue word. Fingers on it. First word, I. Next word, will. Next word, be. Next word, very. Last word, silly. Good job. If you didn't get it, that's okay. These are kind of tricky words. So let's read it together. Fingers on it, eyes on it. Ready, go. I will be very silly. Remember, we want to read every single word that is there. We can't skip because then we're not being fluent readers. So if we skip the word very, we're not talking about exactly how we're feeling. I will be silly. Okay, but that doesn't really tell us everything we need to know. I will be very silly. That tells us exactly how the person's being. So we need to read all those words. Flip the page. Ooh, I bet we can figure this one out. Fingers on it, eyes on it. First word, I. Next word, will. Next word, be. Next word, very. Last word, mad. Good job. All right, let's read the sentence together. Fingers on it, eyes on it. Ready, go. I will be very mad. Nice job. That picture clue word is right here. We knew it couldn't be angry because this word starts with so mad. All right, flip the page. Ooh, this one could be tricky. This is a long word. Remember, our picture is giving us a good clue. Think about the emotion that this person might be feeling, and that's going to be this word. All right, let's figure it out. Fingers on it, eyes on it. First word, what word? I. Next word, will. Next word, sight word. Be. Next word, very. Next word, surprised. If you said surprised, you figured it out. Nice job. All right, let's go back to the beginning. Let's read the sentence together. Fingers on it, eyes on it. Ready, go. I will be very surprised. Good job. All right, flip that page. Oh, I think you can figure it out. Fingers on it, eyes on it. First word, what word? I. Next word, will. Next word, be. Next word, very. Last word, sad. Yes. All right. You're going to read it all by yourself, and then we're going to read it together. First word, ready, go. Nice job. Let's read it together. Ready, go. I will be very sad. All right, flip that page. Last page. This one's a little bit tricky. All right, fingers on it, eyes on it. First word, what word? I. Next word, what word? Will. Next word, what word? Be. Next word, what word? Very. Last word, what word? If you said scared, you are right. That is the word scared. All right, let's read it. You read it by yourself, and then I'll read it with you. Ready, go. Nice job. All right, let's read it together. Fingers on it, eyes on it. Ready, go. I will be very scared. Nice reading, guys. All right, go ahead and color your book and read it to a friend or family member. Nice job.